So hello fellow YouTubers, we got another episode of Steve's Woodshop, and I'm going to show you the second floor of my 2-horse barn. Sort of unusual because you tried to build this now, they wouldn't let you do it. But since it's grandfathered in, we get to stay. So alright, so we're going to climb up the ladders and show you what's up there. So we're going to shut it off for a second and then we'll turn it on again when we get up there, because it's got to climb up a ladder to get there. Now we're in the second floor of the 2-horse barn, and I just even though it's a ladder to get up here, I put these railings on here. I kind of did it in a hurry, but it's really helpful to get up here safely. Yeah. So these are a new addition. There's one on each side, so I think I'll get them parallel. Maybe I can do some acrobatics too. But so anyway, it's safer to get up here now. So the other thing I wanted to show you guys was all these modular boxes I use to store parts and supplies for various jobs. And my box system starts with the large ones on the bottom and smaller ones in the middle, and then I go to large ones on the top again, so that if you're going to bend down, you can get something big, but you don't want something teeny near the floor, or else it's a nuisance. But all these, so then when I start getting into drawers, making this fairly simple drawers to get access to all these small parts that I only need occasionally, but with a drawer, you don't have to unstack the boxes to look at it. You can just pull it out. So the drawers help a lot. Yeah. So and then I go along this wall, and then now there's another wall over here with more boxes, and then I do have ladder accessories, ladder jacks, and stuff like that need to store when they're not in use. And then over here I have some flooring, some recycled, I'll move over here. I have some recycled maple flooring, which you could use for old floors. If you're repairing an old floor, it's better to use used flooring because it matches the same wood, same age of that wood that floor that you're repairing. Or you put new wood in there, now it's not going to match. It's going to look real bright, and then the older wood is going to look different. So so I try to do that if I can, if I'm doing a floor repair. Yeah. So and then some here is some more storage of extra supplies. I'm still organizing a little bit lately. I've given the whole place a once over. So further improvements are to come, but it's always a work in progress, as all organizing is. So okay, so I guess that's about all I have to say about this second floor. So we'll see you guys. Don't forget to do a thumbs up and subscribe. So tells us that we're doing okay, and we're welcome also your comments. Okay, thanks. Bye now.